Hello. I started my studies at UTS after incomplete and failed attempts to study philosophy and political science at the University of Sydney, where I then left the country and lived and worked in any job I could find in different countries of Europe and South America. Whilst overseas, I learnt the value of human relationships, a deep appreciation for different cultures and people, and a tireless resourcefulness. It dawned on me that building personal connections between people was a strong force for good, and that journalism could be my vehicle to challenging thoughts and opinions with the aim to create more globally unifying moments. I returned to Australia and enrolled at UTS to study journalism. Journalists are meant to be inquisitive, approach their work with tenacity, and most importantly, be empathetic. Throughout my degree, I've learnt to embody each of these attributes as I slowly transformed into a journalist, and a now rare commodity, a journalist with a job. I'm now a multimedia journalist, working across video, audio, print and online, covering human interest stories from disadvantaged Indigenous communities to think pieces like New Ways to Tackle Terrorism and esoteric pieces like Decolonising Australian Literature. My combined degree of creative intelligence and innovation has taught me how to hone and refine these skills into a variety of contexts. I've translated my inquisitiveness into a curiosity about the world and the problems that lie not just in media, but in engineering, science and business. In approaching my work with tenacity, I've built a determined effort to pick up new skills, like using more than 50 design thinking methods. And my empathy has stretched beyond the interview and into the lives of people that I'm trying to innovate for through social initiatives. In my final year of BCII, I did a project with engineering consulting company Oricon. As part of that project, I developed a new creative method called the 7Es, which broadens the 5Es method as my group redesigned Oricon's current internship program into an internship experience. Another BCII project I worked on was the creation of CART, a digital platform that connects companies with students for internships and work. My mission is to combine excellence in multimedia expression with high-level problem solving. I want to find a space to merge the worlds of contemporary journalism and the transition taking place across all industries of work with the push towards innovation. I believe that in an era of misinformation, fake news, and high levels of distrust, it is more important than ever to find creative and innovative solutions.